The gap between theory and practice of medicine is well established and has been known for a long time in medical education circles. With the help of technology, we can close this gap with virtual environment. I personally felt that when I was a student, and the first time I entered the ER, I right away realized that the books and lectures did not prepare me for real life. Now we have CyberPatient. CyberPatient is a virtual hospital with 130 digitally enhanced patients that their students can use 24/7 and as many times as they want.
CyberPatient is the ultimate tool to support students, build confidence, and enhance the development of clinical competencies, no matter where they are in the world.